February 22nd, 2018 was National Polka Dot Day, and it was a very special day for Minnie Mouse. She got a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame, and the Disney Store released a limited edition signature Minnie Rocks the Dots doll. So today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at the Minnie Mouse doll. Only 6,000 have been made. We found this doll online at thedisneystore.com with a suggested retail price of $79.95. Like many of the Disney Store limited edition dolls, it comes in a large case with a paperboard cover. On the back, the Disney Store is proud to present this limited edition Minnie Rocks the Dots signature doll. With carefully crafted details, this intricately designed doll captures our expert trendsetter in a girly rocker style complete with an oversized bow and faux leather jacket. A black and white color palette with pops of red further elevates our dotty fashionista's look. Metallic polka dots accent her skirt, while an envelope clutch and slouchy boots reflects Minnie's confidence and cool, creating an outfit that's simply fabulous. Beautifully designed by Disney Store artists, this limited edition doll is a must-have for collectors and fans alike. Now let's remove the cover and get a look at the doll. Looking at her through the case, I can see some articulation. That is a real zipper on her jacket. Well, it's part of a zipper. On the back, there is a picture of Minnie and a certificate of authenticity at the bottom. This is doll 2047 out of 6,000. Let's take her out of the case for a closer look. Out of the box, she stands about 11 inches tall to the top of her head, 13 inches to the top of her ears, and 14 to the top of her bow. On closer inspection, her ears are covered in hair. Now I can tell that underneath the hair, there are ears. The hair is just wrapped over it and around, parted down the middle so that it looks all nice and neat in the classic Minnie Mouse ear look. I wasn't expecting hair, so that's kind of cool. On the front, that is hair too, so if you ever decided to take her hair down, that might look like she has some pretty crazy sideburns. Those eyelashes are serious. Look at how long they are. Wow. Her large red bow is sewn in place. She has red sunglasses and silver eyeshadow. Her smile is painted on one side. She wears a white sleeveless shirt with silver stripes, a faux leather jacket with zippers down the front, at the pockets, and a light gray stitching that has several layers at the sleeve. Her hands are large white plastic gloves. It does not seem like it would be easy to remove the jacket given the size of her hands. I don't know if you can remove her hands. I'm a little nervous to try. They don't seem like they can come off. I could be wrong. The jacket is separate from the shirt, however, the shirt is attached to the skirt. It is a layered skirt with one layer of satin and 2 layers of tulle. The top layer of tulle has glitter dots because you know Minnie has to rock the dots. She wears a pair of black leggings that, let's see, can we remove the shoe and see if it covers the foot? Yes, they cover the foot. Her scrunchy boots feel like they're made of a faux suede. They velcro in the back, are lined on the inside, and have a heel. When wearing her shoes, it is possible to balance her to stand. And she finishes her look with a faux leather envelope clutch purse that can open, is lined on the inside, has an elastic wristband, and has the letters M and M embroidered in silver thread on the front. She has movement at the head and can pivot from side to side and back and forward. She has rotation at the shoulder, can bend at the elbow and move at the wrist. She has movement at the hip and at the knee. This is a new look for Minnie, and I really like it. The combination of the leather jacket and the tulle is a fave, and when dolls cut their eyes, it gives them so much personality. This is definitely a different doll to add to our collection, but with her style, she'll fit right in.
Oh, darling, I was not meant to fit in. I was meant to stand out.
Thank you for joining us while we took a look at this limited edition Minnie Mouse. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog, and we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.
If everyone knew all the things I could